What's going on, everybody? My name is Marissa, and in this video we are going to be talking about digital marketing trends in 2018 and also next year in 2019. So stick around, you're going to enjoy the content I have coming up for you. Stay tuned. How's it going, everybody? My name is Marissa Romero, and welcome to this channel if it is your very first time. Now, what I talk about on this channel is how to make money online, whether you're a beginner or intermediate marketer, whether you're looking to start a side hustle or full-time income, I can help you on this channel. Right now, I'm posting on a consistent basis pretty much daily, so go ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell for every time I'm uploading content. At the end of this video, you can find all the resources to things that I am talking about in the links in the description below. So go ahead and check that out after this video. Okay, so the first thing I wanted to talk about is if you're a business owner of any type, one platform that's kind of a hidden gem and that people don't really know about yet is Amazon. So having your business on Amazon.com is going to be extremely crucial to the future in 2019 and beyond, because people only think that you can just sell different, physical products on Amazon, but now people don't realize that there's like literally 5 ways to grow any business on Amazon, whether it's a brick and mortar business, whether you have an online business, and that is because there is this new feature on Amazon called digital services. So now you can start a brand on Amazon, so kind of like starting a branded store for your brand. And so if you wanted to have, if you have digital products like ebooks or courses, you can sell those things on Amazon now and start getting organic traffic to those, start generating reviews on Amazon, and start selling your products organically on that platform. And I think once people discover that, that is going to be huge, because it's really a great thing, because people are already searching for on Amazon what it is you have to offer. So if you have like a Facebook ads marketing course or something, any type of course you have, any brand you have, you can put it on Amazon. And I have a video that I've posted previously on this channel with an Amazon marketing expert, and I invite you guys to check it out later on after this video. The next thing I wanted to talk about was Facebook marketing. Now, Facebook marketing has become a little bit more tricky in the past year or two, okay, especially with Facebook ads. The algorithm is always changing. But what I've noticed is that with organic Facebook advertising, so using your personal Facebook profile, posting more, updating your status, posting more engaging pics, and going Facebook Live is still a very powerful method to attract an audience. So really, Facebook Lives are the most powerful tool you can have, and having people, comment on your Facebook Live, I don't think that's going anywhere. I think that's going to be a strong thing you can do and continue on to 2019. Now, as far as Facebook ads, traffic is becoming more expensive. It's no secret, but I still think it is a very excellent way to advertise your business moving forward, because you can still get highly targeted traffic. And one thing I wanted to mention on that is if you have a buyer's list, even if it's only as little as 100 emails, you can create a custom audience and a lookalike audience off that email. And I think moving on in the future, creating a custom audience with your email list is going to be extremely important to your Facebook ads marketing and really getting that engaged traffic. And it's much better than starting off, if you have a brand new pixel, it's much better than starting off and trying to find interests targeting to match whatever product or service you're offering. And so the other thing too is video ads are still going to remain king for Facebook ads. So always try to use a video when you're using Facebook ads to market your product or service. The next thing I wanted to touch on with digital marketing trends in 2019 is Instagram. Now, I love Instagram. Instagram is one platform that I am going hard on in building my personal brand. But also, I wanted to mention a couple things, because Instagram is also becoming a lot harder and tougher to grow organically. And I think the days of, you know, just posting whatever you want, you know, pictures of food, a random meme, selfies. The days are over where you can actually grow an Instagram if you're posting those types of things. I think that if you are growing a brand on Instagram, you have to have higher quality content than ever, especially with the increasing competitions in all types of niches. You have to have high quality content. You have to make sure your hashtag game is on point. And most importantly, you have to stick with one niche in which you're marketing to. So maybe if you're in the motivational niche, you stick to the motivation niche. If you're in travel, you stick to travel. So when I started and changed my Instagram look to just travel and lifestyle, I started to gain a whole bunch of more followers because my content was much higher quality and much more consistent. So I, you know, look to use the hashtag to target people that are looking to have the laptop lifestyle and travel the world and be a digital nomad. That is also my niche. So if you have a cluster of different types of pictures on your Instagram, you may want to consider reorganizing it and only posting pictures that relate to one niche. So those things are very important. Also, as I mentioned before, it is very hard nowadays to grow organically with Instagram. So I highly recommend that you use automation software to help boost engagement, boost your views, and also, most importantly, increase your following. Because I recently, this year in 2018, finally crossed the 10,000 follower mark, and it was because I was using the specific niche and also in combination with using automation. So I'll leave links below to my #1 recommendations for automation software, because some nowadays are crap, but some are actually really good. So go ahead and check that out after this video for my #1 recommendations. The next thing I wanted to talk about is influencer marketing. Now, I think influencer marketing is the way of the future, especially for small startup companies. Small startup companies that haven't used influencer marketing yet are definitely going to look for the, you know, micro or the smaller influencers that have maybe an audience from 10,000 to 3,000 following on Instagram, and also on YouTube as well. So they're looking for YouTube influencers and also Instagram influencers. Now, if you are interested in building an audience online, whether it's Instagram or YouTube or Facebook, that is going to be your #1 asset really from here on out, because it is super important to build a following, because companies are looking to pay you to market their product or promote their product, and it's going to increase your chances of getting paid to do promotions. And also, if you become an influencer marketer, your brand sticks with you forever as long as your brand and business is alive. So if you are interested in growing a following and becoming an influence marketer in a specific niche, I highly recommend it, because this is going to be the way of the future for other companies looking for you to help promote and market their products. The last thing I wanted to talk about for digital trends, both for the remainder of this year in 2018 and 2019, is video marketing. Now, this is a subject that is near and dear to my heart, and I love talking about it because this is something that I do every day on my YouTube channel. Now, video marketing is basically the next best thing to being in person and getting to know somebody in person. It's a way for your audience to engage with you like no other, get to know your brand and your personality and what you have to offer as far as your products and services. Now, this year, mobile consumption increased about 35%, and it'll probably be a similar percentage in 2019. And since that is the trend going forward, you're going to want to get on video, especially because when people are on their mobile devices, they like to watch video. And the next best thing you can do, since people like to watch video on their phone, is one tip is you can have your video transcribed. So if somebody is on their phone and they're looking at their phone and they can't turn the volume up, they can still read what you are saying in the video. So it's really cheap to have a transcription of your video outsourced and have them read along on what you're saying as the video goes on. And so it is a proven fact in our industry that video marketing helps increase your leads by 66%. Take my channel for example. in this year alone, it's the middle of August right now in 2018. I started building up my YouTube channel in mid-March of 2018. I only had 300 subscribers, and now I'm almost at 11K at the making of this video. But my lead flow increased by 1,000%. I literally had no leads to my business coming into my business in the beginning of this year in 2018, and just in this short time frame from mid-March to now in almost late August, I literally built a list of 5,000 highly targeted leads. Now that is insane. So video marketing for sure helps increase your lead flow and helps them be even more targeted and wanting to know more about your brand, and they'll be more higher quality in the long run. And in addition with video marketing, and on that topic, if you're not on YouTube, I honestly feel that any business that you have, even if you are a brick and mortar business, there are 5 ways to increase and improve your marketing with any type of business you have on YouTube. So I'd highly advise to start a YouTube channel no matter what niche you're in, whether it's making money online, credit repair, finances, motivation, religion. There's literally a niche for anybody on YouTube. I mean, I've seen the craziest things, from a guy having a barbecue channel and him having affiliate products that he promotes in the barbecue niche. He has ebooks on recipes and tips and tricks for barbecuing. I mean, really, the list can go on of any type of channel you want to make on YouTube. So if you're not on YouTube, I highly advise it. YouTube is not going anywhere in 2019 and 2029 and beyond, and that's what I strongly believe. So YouTube has done wonders for my business and will continue to do it, and I highly advise that you get on YouTube if you have not already. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below if you have any questions at all, and of course refer to the first link in the description for my #1 recommendation for starting an online business. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you on the next one. Take care.